Hey guys, Ian here with Intero restaurant in Austin, Texas, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple, easy, delicious tomato sauce for your pizza with some fresh garlic, little fresh basil, and some delicious Texas olive oil. All right, so we have all our ingredients for the sauce right here. Like I said, it's super simple and easy. So we've got a little garlic, fresh basil, some delicious Texas olive oil, little red chili flake. I like my sauce just a little on the spicy side, and some dried oregano. And of course, the star of the sauce, tomatoes. Now, I always use San Marzano tomatoes for my tomato sauce, and I like canned tomatoes because if we're using canned tomatoes, we can guarantee that this sauce is going to be just as delicious every time you make it. I really love this simple tomato sauce because the flavor of the tomatoes and the garlic really pop. It makes for a perfect accompaniment for just a classic margarita pizza. And when we're talking about simple flavors, each flavor is really going to shine, and we're going to have this beautiful harmony of all these delicious ingredients together. So step one for this sauce, we're going to really thinly slice our garlic. Now we want the garlic really thinly sliced so you don't bite into this big spicy piece of garlic. And we're just using that Made In knife to get these really nice thin slices, okay? Garlic goes right in the pan, a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, okay? We're gonna pop that right on the stove, about medium-high heat. So I like to use a high-quality olive oil. Again, with a sauce that's so simple, all the individual ingredients are really going to shine, okay? So a high-quality extra virgin olive oil is gonna make a huge difference in your finished sauce. Now, once I have my garlic and olive oil in the pan, I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt. Super important when you're making sauces specifically, or any cooking for that matter, we kind of season as we go. So we're seasoning the garlic so that we really kind of intensify the flavor of that garlic. And right away, that garlic is getting super aromatic, okay? So while the garlic is doing its thing, we're gonna go ahead and smash up these tomatoes. Now you can use a blender, a food processor, hand mixer if you'd like, but I'm going the traditional route, and we're just gonna go ahead and smash these all up by hand. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure that all the big chunks of tomatoes are kind of broken up. Once we have our garlic just nice and toasted brown, okay, we're gonna go ahead and add some basil. I'll just give this a quick rough chop. That goes right in the pan with the garlic, and you can hear it popping and sizzling right away. And you can immediately smell that fresh basil. A little oregano, a little chili flake, or a lot if you're like me. Okay? And then we go straight in with our tomatoes. You just bring your sauce up to a simmer, and it is ready to go. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. We're just gonna give it a taste, make sure the seasoning's where we want it. We're good to go. We're just gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge. We want it cool before we put it on the pizza dough, and it'll keep in the fridge for up to a week, right? This is great for any pizza you wanna make. And guys, next time you're in Austin, come check us out at Intero Restaurant. Try one of our pizzas out of the wood-fired oven.